Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful mini PCs, new models. So friend, Colorful has recently announced its expansion into the mini PC market, an area known for its intensive competition along various brands. And the company's entry model CMNH01-12450 is equipped with the 12th generation Intel Core i7-12450H processor from the Alder Lake-H45 series, and this model features an 8-core configuration consisting of 8 performance core and 4 efficient cores. Although the i7-12450H is not the most advanced CPU on the market, it targets budget-conscious customers by offering adaptive performance for everyday tasks. And friend, the CMNH01-12450 does not come with the groundbreaking feature but support essential modern technology, and it include a 2.5 chip A networking capability, PCIe Gen4 SSD support, and up to 64 GB of DDR4 3200 memory. Notably, the system provides a slot for a Wi-Fi network card, although it is not pre-installed. And this mini PC does not utilize DDR5 memory, which aligns with its positioning towards more cost-effective market segments. And friend, Colorful is developing further models with both Intel and AMD processors, signaling a broader commitment to mini PC market. Upcoming products include the Core Ultra 5 125H and AMD Ryzen 7 8845H systems. The Core Ultra 5 125H is expected to feature 14-core processor from Intel's newer Meteor Lake series, while the Ryzen 7 8845H will utilize a 45-watt version of AMD's 8-core Gen4 processor known as HawkPoint. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.